Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Marissa. Please subscribe. So let's get into this video. I will be unboxing my tripod. I'm gonna grab a quick scissors to cut it. It actually came like super fast. It was supposed to come like Monday and today is Wednesday. So, yeah. I'll insert a picture of the type, like right here, that I ordered. UBEESIZE. And it comes with it just comes with like some information in the box. Oh, and it's so small and little, like you can like take this to go. Okay, and the bag feel like so foamy, like I don't know if you can see the material. It feel like high quality. Okay, this is like really what I really was in need of. This. So this is the clicker to take your pictures or start your video. You have Android and iOS, so either works. Then I have these, all of these attachments. I don't know this is what, but I'll figure it out. This, what else? It's supposed to get a paper. Oh, have instruction. You need to have like these, like this here, like how to set it up. And it comes with this. So it's time for this. And it feels like sturdy. It don't even feel cheap. So that's good. Okay, all right. I hate reading the instruction, but I have to know because I don't even know how to open it. What is he? Set it up. Open. Little screw in, so this can like stay. You know, you screw it in. If you want it more, I don't know. Click it in, pull it out. You open this here and you lock it in, and then you open that one, pull again, lock, open, pull again, lock. Now it's time to fix like the top part there. I should have locked it on first. Right, lock it on first. Okay, you take this here and you screw it in at the thing at the side. Screw in tightly, and this thing at the side here is to like rotate it up, and you just lock it in place. And you put your phone here, it will be like sideways. If you want your phone to go on the side, to be long, you lock this in place so you can hold, and then put your phone in. Loosen it up, put it back up here. Oh, this is so cool. And the remote have like a button at the side. You turn it on, and then it will be blinking blue, and you just connect it to your Bluetooth, pair it, and it just goes. Click, start your video. This is a what? I don't even know this is what. Do it. Okay. These rest of stuff is for like camera and so on. These other stuff, but I don't have that. I just want this for my phone. So this bag is really nice to go. Little bag. I just put back these stuff in here because I don't think I'll need that. anytime soon. Let's open it up back again so you guys can see. Here. Unclick, lock back, unclick, lock back, unclick. Oh, it's so long, it's in frame. I paid $29 for this, but with tax and everything it's come up to like 33 or 34. Like I'll just insert it somewhere here. It feels like expensive. You should try it out, and it's cheap. So get on that. So that's why I say let me do, why am I holding this? That's why I said let me do a review on it so you guys can go and copy one. Okay, that's all for now. I can't really show you it on my phone because the phone I'm filming on right now, so yeah, excuse that. So if this video was helpful, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I would really appreciate it. So until next time, bye guys.